Hi everyone, I have a new math book that I would like to read to you called Domino Addition by Lynette Long, PhD. Here is our title page. Learning to add is fun, especially when you use dominoes. It's easy. Let's learn how. Dominoes have two halves. Each half may have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 spots on it. A domino can have 3 spots on one half and 0 spots on the other half, or 2 spots on one half and 4 spots on the other half, or even 6 spots on one half and 6 spots on the other half. This is a complete set of dominoes, and here's what it looks like. You can add the spots to find the total number of spots on each domino. Like this one has 0 on one side and 1 on the other to make 1 altogether. This one has, let's see, 2 and 2 make 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. So these are all the different ways that dominoes can add up to 0. They can add up to 1, to 2, to 3, to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Add the number of spots on the top half of this domino to the number of spots on the bottom of this domino, and you'll get 0 plus 0. The total is 0. Can you find the domino that has a total of 0 spots? Oh, this is the one. Nice job. Now we're going to add the spots on this domino. The top half, 1 plus 0 on the bottom half equals 1. The total is 1 altogether. Now point to the domino that shows a total of 1 spot. Yes, that is the domino. Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the spots on the bottom half of each domino. So this one has 2 plus 0 equals 2. See the 2 and then the 0? This one has 1 plus 1 equals 2. The total of both is 2. 2. Can you find the 2 dominoes that have a total of 2 spots? Awesome. There's these, 1 and 1, and this one, 2 and 0, has a total of 2. Add the number of spots on the top half and the bottom half of each domino, and you'll get the total. We have 3 plus 0 equals 3, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. Can you find the dominoes that have 3 spots? Very good. This one and that one. You are really good at this activity. Now we're going to add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. And there are more that equal 4. We have 4 plus 0 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now find the dominoes that have a total of 4 spots. Nice job. Very good. There's this one with 3 plus 1. There's this one with 0 plus 4. And this one with 2 plus 2. You are so good at this. Now we have dominoes that equal 5 when you add the top and the bottom together. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals, that's right, 5. Can you find the dominoes that have 5 spots? Feel free to pause the video if you would like. All right, you guys are excellent at this. Now we're adding the number of spots on the top half to the number of spots on the bottom half to see what our total is now. I know you've guessed it. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. Look at all the dominoes with spots that equal 6. You add both sides together. Awesome. Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. How many dominoes do you see that have 7 spots all together? Can you find 3? Nicely done. Now we have 6 plus 2 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. Each of these dominoes has a total of 8 spots all together. Look at all of these. Can you find the dominoes with 8 spots? 8 dots. Excellent work. Now we will add 6 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Find the dominoes with a total of 9 spots. Awesome. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Look at the dominoes to find the combinations that make 10. Again, you can feel free to pause your video. Look at this. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Can you find a domino with 6 plus 5 to equal 11? Right at the top. Nice. And finally, 6 plus 6 equals 12. And that is the most we show on dominoes. Can you find the one that equals a total of 12 spots? Hooray! Congratulations! You have learned how to add up to 12. Did you have fun? Now we'll turn the page to see what you have done. Look at all of those numbers that you have added together. You added to get 0, to get a total of 1, a total of 2, a total of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Dominoes make adding fun. Addition is fun with dominoes. Great work, kindergartners. Bye.